Truck broke down. Probably the fuel pump went out. Had the truck for about 3 or 4 years. Getting a little tow from Tansy Towing. That help you out in you if you need a bind. But I couldn't get a chain, so got loaded up on a wrecker. I don't think that truck ever seen that much height. That's a good thing about that, you ain't gotta have the key to put it in park or anything.
Oh, I know.
I don't know, I bought it like that.
I like it like that.
Huh?
I know that's safety stuff. Man, that's just aggravating sometimes, you know.
Yep.
I would rather it be like that. That's like a lawnmower or something. I mean, they got all that safety stuff on there and you can't.